Okay, in today's video we're going to take a look at one of the setups that failed and what happens when a setup doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Well, you GTFO, alright, just get out of the way. So there were some higher support decisions, and well, we did get an initial rally off of one of them, and then we blew through the rest of the support. So what do we do with that? Well, you know, there's not really a good new trade yet on this chart. There is something that you want to be aware of as far as timing factors. I do have timing for a potential intermediate low coming in either between the 24th, 27th, and also the 26th, 27th. So those two histograms overlap each other. They came from different, different highs, and that's something to be aware of. But this is what becomes real interesting to me. Okay, so if you look at a weekly chart and you measure some of these prior declines. Okay, so this prior high to low projected from the high, that comes in at the 211 area. Then if we take this swing, that comes in a little bit lower at the 207 area. You can look at one of the swings within the swings, 209 area. You can look at this prior high to low swing, and that comes in at the 211 72 area. Now, not only do we have the symmetry that comes in below the market, which looks like a very important decision point if we get there, check this out. It also overlaps a 786 retracement of the prior major low to high swing. And then it also overlaps, let's see if we take this low to this high, there's a 1272 that overlaps. So actually the high end of the zone is what looks kind of interesting, but I will give it from, let's say, 209.97 to 211.98 area as far as the decision, but with a focus on 211.17 to 211.98. So, you know, if that comes up in the future, we'll definitely take a good hard look at it and see if it holds that area, and if it, does give you some sort of reversal against that. Otherwise, I will look for a pattern shift off of these timing factors in the next few trading sessions, and see if maybe on a lower time frame chart it might give me a relatively low risk entry. But those are the two things that I'm going to look at here. But just remember, not all of these setups are going to work, and when it doesn't hold what it's supposed to hold, GTFO.